Welcome back to Living Aloha. In this video, we're going to show you how we steamed our Moano. We start with a pan with a little bit of water, and I'm adding garlic salt. What we're going to do is we're going to steam it. Now you may wonder why we're putting garlic salt in the water. Well, the steam will take that flavor up into the fish. Here's our fish. We're going to score it, making diamond cuts all the way down to the bone. This will allow the seasoning to get into the meat. We'll take some Hawaiian salt and rub it into the fish. You can see our condiments, which we'll use at the end on the top. From left to right, there's mizuna, cherry tomatoes, cilantro, and diced white onions. Notice how I spread the fish apart so I make sure I get the salt in. Then I lightly coat it with pepper, both sides. And that's all the seasoning you need to do. This fish will be for one person. So I take our bamboo steamer and put it on the top of the pan, so the steam comes up through the slats in the bottom. I'll take our fish and put it on top. Put the cover on and just let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on the size of the fish. So you can see the steam coming up through the top. Open it up. You can see it's separated nicely. Check it with a chopstick. Perfect. It's done. I'll turn off the fire, take my spatula, take it out and put it on the plate. Looks good. So I'm taking my condiments and I'm sprinkling them on. I'm starting with the onions, then the mizuna, then the cherry tomatoes, and then the cilantro. Coating the entire top of the fish. Some people stuff some of this in the fish prior to putting it in the steamer, but this one's small, so I didn't need to. Now I take some peanut oil, put it in a pan, and I'm going to heat this up until it's smoking hot. There's the oil, and I'm going to put it over the top of the fish. And you will hear it sizzle as the oil infuses the flavors from the condiments on the top into the fish. And that's how to steam Moano. Aloha.